welcome to another video already. Today we're gonna show you the MacBook Pro. Remember, I said I'm not gonna show you this, but you like the video and subscribe, so I'm gonna show you this now. Just like and I don't think this is a MacBook Pro. Okay, guys. Look at this. And guys, I'm gonna film. Okay. Hey guys. Okay, guys. Hi guys. See me? Oh. Say hi. So. I'm gonna move. There's like smoke on it, but I'm not gonna put it on. This is supposed to be a smoke machine. I'm gonna show you. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Make sure you like the video and subscribe. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Okay. You see smoke. It's lit. You hear that? Look, hear this noise. Guys. You hear it? Oh, it's off. Hold on, guys. If you hear this, comment down below. It's really sound good. It sounds really satisfying. Look. It's really nice. Guys, comment down below what is your favorite thing. Okay. Comment down below what is your favorite thing. I'm upside down, by the way. So it's kind of upside down. You saw me upside down. Yeah, it's pretty cool when I put it upside down. That's it. Okay. Comment down below what's your favorite thing. This thing. Well, I don't know what it's called. You should see it in the what the title said. I think, yeah, you're gonna see it in what the title said. Bye guys, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Bye.